CC introduced a versatile vacuum cleaner accessory for everyone. This universal vacuum brush hand has an inside diameter of 32 mm at the connection interface, allowing you to determine its compatibility with your vacuum cleaner. The brush hand features wheels at the bottom, making it glide smoothly over surfaces, and allowing for agile adjustment during use, enhancing the ease of operation. On the underside, you will find the suction port with edge strips that help collect debris. For stubborn stains and surfaces like carpets and fabrics, you can press a button to switch cleaning modes, revealing a row of bristles along the upper edge to aid in cleaning. Press the button again to retract the bristles. It perfectly fits our industrial vacuum. Additionally, we offer other vacuum cleaner replacement parts. Feel free to contact us for more details.